Hi everyone, today my friend and I will be talking about our project Smart Dustbin. Primary goal of this wet, dry and wet metal waste segregation project is to effectively separate waste materials based on their physical properties using an automated system that can save humans energy.
The first step onto building our smart dustbin is by attaching Arduino Uno, stable motor driver and buzzer onto a plywood base. Then we connected UPVC pipes together. We soldered a 2 cm hole in the pipe and inserted the proximity switch. Next, we attached an IR sensor to the pipe to help detect dry waste. We made small holes and used cable ties to mount the servo motor onto the pipe. Then, we glued a raindrop sensor at the bottom of the pipe to detect wet waste. We used hot glue gun to neatly hold the wires in place to prevent them from moving around. Next, we glued the pipes onto a flat PVC base, one for each pipe. Then, we added Velcro to the bottom of each pipe and their bases for easy removal. Then, we attached the full rotating pipe unit to the plywood with everything wired and ready.
You can see how I connected the wire jumpers to each component as shown in the video. In the meantime, let me explain the three main criteria behind our smart waste segregation project. First, we focus on waste characterization. By understanding the type and quantity of waste, we can plan and manage how it's handled more efficiently. This is important to make sure the right kind of waste goes to the right place. Second, the project is built using an Arduino Uno. It's a small microcontroller that allows us to automate tasks using sensors and program logic. It's perfect for hands-on projects like this, especially when learning electronics and coding. Lastly, our smart dustbin is designed to maximize efficiency in how resources are used and to minimize the amount of waste we produce and throw away. So, these three criteria make our project useful, practical, and educational.
Let's look at the benefits of using a smart waste segregation system. First, reducing waste and encouraging recycling can save costs. It reduces the need to buy new raw materials, saves energy, and lowers waste disposal expenses. Second, it helps reduce pollution. By managing waste properly, we protect the environment and also improve public health. Lastly, smart dustbins support sustainable living. They help us build a society that's more environmentally responsible and aware of how waste affects the planet. Thank you.
This project can also help to solve some global issues caused by improper waste management, such as air pollution. Landfills release toxic substances like dioxin into the air when waste is improperly disposed. This will harm the air quality. Using this smart dustbin, sorting dry waste helps reduce the need for burning, directly cutting down on toxic emissions. Secondly, water pollution. Disposing waste in drains and waterways leads to contamination of rivers and groundwater. Proper sorting prevents waste from being dumped into waterways. Thirdly, disease transmission. When waste is left unmanaged, it creates perfect breeding ground for bacteria, which is known to carry dangerous diseases. By separating wet waste, it helps to limit bacteria growth by reducing dirty, moist conditions. These are the detailed criteria, benefits, global issues, and how our project can solve them that we just elaborated before this.
This project shows that waste can be sorted into wet, dry, and metal types automatically using sensors. It helps reduce human effort and support better recycling and waste management. Thank you.